guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Katrina. Today I will introduce our new beer can glasses collection. This collection embraces 5 different types of glasses. And this one is sparkling rainbow glasses, and they can get iridescent shimmer under the sun. And the next is can glasses with handle. They are fussy and they have 2 different sizes you can choose from. And the next is color electroplating. They light the dance of color and light on the glasses. And the next is color change glasses. They can get a glamorous effect on 10 degrees Celsius. The last is formal color change glasses. In about 45 degrees Celsius, they can get a vibrant effect. Okay, let's see that effect of color change.